Allyn and I are here on a Thursday afternoon at Cane Creek, and we're going to make a run in the old otter. Yeah.
I'm sitting where?
I think I'm sitting back. I'm letting Allyn do all the hard work. How'd you like that first rapid, Allyn?
Nice.
Got a little one coming up here. I wonder if I can shoot through it. See that rock in the middle?
Yeah.
To the right of that. Yeah. This first little eddy, we want to go left of it and then in. Yeah, right down this riffle here. Give me some rights, 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 rights. Hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Lefts, lefts, lefts. Uh-huh, uh-huh. How was that?
Not bad. That one was more the way I would have done it. Last one was... Drip line again?
You pick one.
Yeah, I'm thinking drip line.
What?
I'm thinking drip line. Can be a little more washed out into the outside.
Well, the outer side of the turn is definitely going to hold the water and the velocity, so that's always good. You don't want to get too close to the bank, though, because it'll tie you up. There's a suck hole. See, we're hitting that other. We're out of the stream. We want to go left. Give me a big dig. Go and get it. To the left of that surf spot. To the left of it. Right there, yeah. That's good. Yeah. So give me some rights. Give me some rights. Stay in it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. We're in it. We're in it. Nice. See, now the bow's wanting to get out.
Yeah.
Give me some lefts to get back over to the right bank. Nice. Hello. Behind you. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Any luck?
Yeah, that's okay, okay, man.
All right. Congrats.
I'm good now, though. Got a bug net, you know what that is?
Yeah, buddy. Stealth kayakers. That was cool. All right, Allyn, I'm going to shoot this from your point of view, and so don't upset us. I'm not even going to paddle. It's all up to you. Do not get my camera wet. Oh shit, this is like the gnarliest one on the river too. Hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right. Avoid that sifter. It's still recording. Okay, this doesn't look too good yet. Oh, baby. Well, obviously, shoot out of the water. And I'm trying to revive her.